Hello everyone, I'm Morgan from Mirror Edge Networks here in Cape Town, South Africa, and you join me in Constantia. This is a home cinema room that we built in around about June 2024, and this is a short video introduction to the background to this project, what it took for us to achieve the suitable outcome for our client, and some general technical specifications about this project. So to start off with, this room was a very big open plan living area with a kids playroom for the previous owners of this property. And when we met with our client and started the discussions with regards to this home cinema room, we made the recommendation to build out a solid wall construction. So we've done a drywall construction to isolate the rest of the house. And then from that, we built out our front wall construction. We built some speaker columns. We've located some speakers within the room. And then lastly, at the back of the room, we have built a box which houses the amplifier as well as the projector for this room. To start this project, we had to build the outer shell of what this room would become. As I said, this entire space that we're in prior to our involvement was about 12 meters across. And what we've done is we've made this cinema room about 3.6 meters wide. What we've done with this drywall construction on my right-hand side is build a staggered stud wall with mineral fiber insulation between the studs, and then a sheet of 12mm shutter ply on the outer sides, both internal and external, finished off with a 12mm gypsum board skimmed and painted, which gives us this left wall construction of this home cinema room. As is traditional with our home cinema room constructions, we have built out the front wall of this room. So we have built a timber framing, which we have fixed our fabric panels to. These are manufactured with a simple framing with an acoustic fabric over the front of them, so it doesn't impact the audio that may be from any speakers that are behind the projection screen wall. And at the back wall, the original wall of this room, we have a layer of mineral fiber and acoustic foam insulation so we can deaden the front of the room a little bit. Of course, what we've then done is we've hung the 120-inch acoustically transparent projection screen onto this framing, and we've located our front LCR left, center, right speakers within this framing. And that is the front wall construction within this home cinema room. We have built these speaker columns, which are designed to accommodate either speakers on the front of them, or they have cutouts within them where we can recess in speakers at a later stage. What we have done is located them in locations which would be great for a front wide. Of course, we have a traditional surround location where we do have speakers mounted onto them currently, and then we have a surround back location which currently don't have speakers mounted onto them. What we have been fortunate to do is the surround and front wide speaker columns basically mirror what is happening with regards to the window on the right hand side of the room. There is a window and the speaker columns are exactly framing the size of the window. So it worked out quite well that the locations for our surrounds and the locations for our front wides worked out according to the Dolby Atmos surround sound speaker layout locations. So this has a happy benefit for our client in two different regards, that we get the right speaker locations, but we also get speaker columns that are purposeful within the room. At the back of the room, we have installed two boxes which we have manufactured off-site and had spray painted to color match the client's paint on the interior of the room. And these two boxes are, of course, above for the projector to sit in. In this room, we have an Epson TW9400 bulb-driven 4K HDR projector. And beneath it, we have the Anthem MRX540 surround sound AVR with built-in amplification that powers the speakers and the subwoofer within this room. So that is how we've accommodated and taken care of where the electronics and equipment is located within this room. Of course, our client, since we have completed this home cinema room, has also made sure that there's suitable snacks, such as a popcorn machine, a couple of jars filled with chocolates and good sweets, and a little fridge for some cool drinks that are here within the room as well. Of course, the last part of this home cinema room is a nice, comfortable set of seats or cinema seats or a couch. And in this instance, our client had this nice sofa which he placed into this home cinema room, which we feel is a really nice, comfortable place to be able to sit and watch movies. As always, I hope that you've enjoyed this video. which is a short video introduction to this home cinema room that we have built here in Constantia, Cape Town. We are always looking forward to working with new clients on home cinema builds and the process that it takes to be able to deliver a solution like this. If you're looking for a home cinema solution, please feel free to reach out and get in contact with me. My contact details will be in the video description below. If you've enjoyed this video, please share it with somebody who might find it interesting or would like to learn more about what it is that we do. As always, if you haven't yet already subscribed, please would you subscribe down below. And if you would like to keep up to date with our latest posts here on YouTube, you can also turn on the notification bell so that you get notified when we upload new videos. We are very proud of the videos that we put out regarding home cinema projects that we've been involved with both here in Cape Town as well as around the world. So if you'd like to keep up to date, we'd love to have you along to enjoy these videos with us. Thanks very much for watching. Cheers.